So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a custom domain to your MailerLite account. So once you are here, you want to click Account Settings. And from here, you want to go ahead and click Domains. Now, the custom domains are included in paid plans. So for now, I have a free plan. So you need to upgrade your plan in order to add your own domain and basically add them for your landing pages and so on and so forth. But for now, I'm just gonna go ahead and add a sending domain. So the process is the same basically. So you just click add a domain. Now you need to verify your domain ownership. So let's enter our email. Now you need to use the email address with your own domain. So I'm just gonna save it. Now they have sent my the verification. I'm just gonna go ahead and log into my DreamHost email. Now here it is, our email. Now here it is, it's now verified. Now we need to go ahead and authenticate. So let's click on this. And now you need to select your DNS provider. So for example, for me, it would be a DreamHost. Now, as you can see, there is a CNAME record, a TXT record. So you may see, if you add a normal domain, you may see a DKIM. DKIM would be like a CNAME record, and SPF would be TXT. So you just need to remember that. Now we need to go ahead and create our CNAME records, for example, on DreamHost. That would be right there on Manage Websites. And here you can go ahead and change DNS settings. So here it is. You can add it right there, add a record. Now we need to add a CNAME one. And the value would be this one. Just like so. I believe we can actually delete this one. Just like so, and leave it to that. Now let's add a record. Here it is. Now we need to add a TXT record. Here it is, the name and the value. Let's add it. The value would be this one. And here it is, add a record. And just like so, these records have been added now, and it's processing a little bit. But basically, after that, you want to go ahead and wait for the records to become active. It can take up to 24 hours for your records to become active, and they will send you an email and let you know the answer from your DNS provider. So you can check the records now, but they will not be added. Now, as you can see, the domain key is DKIM, records were not found, and SPF also. So we need to wait at least 24 hours and then check the records. Or it will take up until the 100% and it will be added. So that's how you add your domain. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.